In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. Understanding how to create and apply formulas is an indispensable skill for anyone looking to maximize the efficiency and productivity of their work within Smartsheet. Whether you're analyzing data, performing calculations, or automating routine tasks, formulas will help streamline and simplify your workflow. Let's dive right into the basics and build a strong foundation for using formulas in Smartsheet. To begin building a formula in Smartsheet, the first step is to select the cell where you want your formula to appear. Upon selecting the cell, you'll initiate your formula by typing an equals sign. That's right, the equals sign is your gateway into the world of formulas. It signals to Smartsheet that what follows will be a formula instead of plain text or a static number. Once you've entered the equals sign, you'll want to decide what kind of calculation or function you need to execute. This could range from simple arithmetic operations, like addition or subtraction, to more complex functions involving multiple cells and sophisticated operations. For the purposes of a straightforward example, let's consider a basic addition formula. Imagine you have two columns with numerical data, and you want to add the values from each column to get a total in a new column. After entering the equals sign in your chosen cell, you will then reference the first cell you want to include in your formula by clicking on it or typing its reference, such as A1. Follow that with the arithmetic operator you need, plus sign for addition in our case, and then reference the second cell, such as B1. You'll have something that looks like A1 plus B1. Once you're satisfied with your formula setup, the next step is straightforward. Simply press Enter on your keyboard. This action runs your formula, and the cell will automatically display the computed result of the formula you've entered. Smartsheet doesn't only handle simple arithmetic. It supports a wide range of functions that can perform complex operations, similar to what you might do in Excel. From statistical and text functions to date and time operations, the possibilities are extensive. For instance, you might use functions like sum to add a range of numbers, or if statements to conditionally display values based on criteria you define. As you become more comfortable with creating formulas, remember that inputting incorrect cell references or overlooking parentheses can lead to errors. Always double-check your formula and take advantage of Smartsheet's support and community pages if you encounter challenges or want to explore advanced formula options. And there you have it, a fundamental guide to getting started with formulas in Smartsheet. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this introduction empowers you to start utilizing formulas to their full potential in your Smartsheet projects.